We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode. Here we go to
Port Lockroy, the post office, the penguins, the shop, the museum.
I think we're going to the...
Are we going to Jougla Island first?
Jougla Island first.
Jougla Island.
Yeah, that would be helpful. A little bit.
We're on Jougla Point, Jougla Island, and there's some seals right here. Weddell seals.
Do something.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jougla Point. We have 45 minutes to explore this area. That's going to take you until 12:15. We need you back here at 12:15 to get you to Port Lockroy. You need to stay on the marked path. You see we have the flags here. Of course, we see cross flags. Do not cross over. Do stay on the trails that we have marked. If you get off the trail, there's some deep snow that you can fall into. Up the stairs.
Oh, I thought you'd fall in.
Yay!
Come on, there's some big juicy krill in the water. So much indecision.
Find your way around. 5 meters from the wildlife. Be safe.
They're all Gentoo, right?
Hey, go with your buddies.
They're running away.
Many penguin highways there. Point them out, dear.
They're racing. I cut you off.
Too bad we can't do a 4-3 shot in the smell.
Comes one. There he goes. Whee!
Here's Port Lockroy, the most southern post office in the world. Here we are landing at Port Lockroy.
Yay! Finally. We've been waiting a year for this.
Everybody happy?
Yes.
Perfect. First.
Look at those chains.
shop is in the right. So once you enter the right, you have the shop. You walk a little bit, you have the museum.
What do you think?
Do you like it?
There we go. Thank you very much indeed.
I love it. You should buy 3.
I'm going to buy the Antarctica Port Lockroy hat that I've been dreaming about for a year. It's very expensive, and you're going to buy socks. Also probably very expensive, I don't know.
What are you going to buy?
Postcard, definitely, of the Gentoo penguin. Hi, Damon. I'm mailing you your postcard from Port Lockroy.
This is the kitchen. Each of the base members came and stayed here, ate this canned food.
Dry their clothes above the stove.
Let me ask you about that gadget. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you take photos or just videos?
All video. Do come in.
There's the original mushroom program. Then it became a radio meteorology office.
Hi, my name's Aoife. I work for the UK Antarctic Heritage Trust. And I'm here at Port Lockroy, so I'm the museum manager, and we as a charity look after 6 historical sites in Antarctica, including the Penguin Post Office, where we sort everyone's mail in Antarctica, send it around the world, and look after the shop and the historic site. We are here for 5 months. We are here until March. It's my first year at Port Lockroy. I've worked on South Georgia before.
But as you can see, they're slightly mucky, these guys. So yeah, but that is an egg.
This guy's trying to place the rock and it keeps rolling down. Jump up higher.
Is that an egg under the...
Yeah, there are a couple of eggs there.
kind of brown, the one that's raising up and flapping?
That is a dirty egg. Okay. When they come out, they're nice and clean and blue.
Uh-huh.
But as you can see, they're slightly mucky, these guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, but that is an egg.